Ano po yung name ng council nyo?
Basilan Council.
Ano po yung name nyo?
Julia Mushabka.
And ano po yung expectation ninyo sa event na to?
For what do you mean about expectation on the event itself? Oh, my expectation for this event, it is like what I've experienced in way back December in Iloilo. So I'm expecting this to be more fun from what we experienced from the last Western Mindanao. So we would like to have an expectation with the same address in water, like from Iloilo, the coordinator when the coordinator there was the mayor of that city addressed the problem when it comes about Jamboree. The purpose or the main problem when it comes about Jamboree is a water lack of water. So he addressed on that thing. So we would like to expect the same method what we experienced in Iloilo.
Unsay mo ang council?
So ako ang council ay Talak District 2 under sa Zambia.
Imong name?
So ako pangalan kay si Bonchel Piti Pasha.
And unsay mo expectation karon nga activity?
So ako expectation karon nga activity is to be more enjoying pero sa pagulit ako satisfied ko ngayon gagawin ko may makatutunan sa
unsay mo ang council?
Katipunan to under Zambia po.
Imong name?
Clifford King P. Costañares.
And unsay mo expectation karon nga activity?
Exciting ma'am and I'm so excited para sa sa mga challenges na maabot na. That is it.
Unsay mo ang council?
I'm from Shayan District, Zambia Council.
And imong name?
I'm Rukikit Dumpalis.
And unsay mo expectation karon nga activity?
I'm happy and excited na makamit ko new friends niya. Then napay kami upcoming program. Then thank you very much.
Unsay mo ang council?
Silangan Central District sa Dida Council.
Unsay mo name?
Zoyar Kim Nomen.
And unsay mo expectation sa karon nga activity?
Ang expectation is full of adventure and malingaw me and kaganda yung mga kailangan friends.
Unsay mo ang council?
Butalak 1 District.
Imong name?
Leo Almazan.
And unsay mo expectation karon nga activity?
My expectation for this activity is para sa amuang mga Boy Scout na mag-enjoy sila and also to our kami nga mga adult leader na mag-enjoy po sa mga event karong adlaw.
Jamboree and the declarations of the opening of this Jamboree. Third, please.
By the power vested upon me as the Council Scouting Commissioner, I now declare this 12th Regional Jamboree open!
Music, maestro!
Dito na kami, takya kami, basilan sa silence mo, basilan mahusay, matalino, mabait kami mga taga-basilan. Maguindanao, Cotabato, Maguindanao, Cotabato, nandito, iba katalo, di susuko, kahit kaibigan, hindi magkakahuli, ganyan kami, mga katabayan.
Sir, ano po pangalan ng council ninyo?
Yes, of course. We are proud to tell you that we present Maguindanao, Cotabato City, and Special Geographic Area Council.
Ano po yung pangalan ninyo, sir?
Well, I am an ALT, Wendell C. Manok.
And ano ano po yung expectation ninyo sa activity na nangyari po?
Well, of course, we expected much, especially for the young people, for the Boy Scouts. We know that through different activities, I know that their attitude will be sharpened, be honed, because we fully believe that through scouting movement, activities and some other programs, the character above intellect will always prevail.
Thank you, sir. And sa inyo po, sir, ano po yung name ninyo?
Matapagal dito Maguindanao, Cotabato City, SJ.
And ano po yung expectation ninyo sa activity po?
Ang expectation namin, expectation ko in this training, I hope na this Western Mindanao council training will be successfully done.
Yung po yung pangalan ninyo, sir?
I'm Ernesto M. Bernardo, Council Executive of Maguindanao, Cotabato City, SDA Council, also an ALT.
And ano po yung expectation ninyo sa activities na nangyari po?
Expectations, actually, yung activities, at least tomorrow po mag-start yung activities. Pero yung regarding sa opening program, although na tinamaan tayo ng malakas na ulan, hindi naging puwan yung pro. In the long run, successful pa yung opening program, na naging successful pa rin kahit ganun. Kahit na tinamaan tayo ng ulan, na-enjoy yung ating mga Boy Scouts. Mga Boy Scouts natin pag ulan na, na-enjoy yung mga Boy Scouts. Tapos, yun lang, yung sa campsite, talagang medyo observation namin talaga maputik. Yun ang totoo, maputik talaga. So, talaga napasa yung mga gamit kanina, ang daming kumbaga nabaha. Pero kung pwede lang sana na magkaroon na parang tawag yan, yung parang contingency plan na kung whatever happen, hindi talaga magkakuan ng mga bata na may malipatan, parang contingency plan. Yun ang sana. Anyway, during our meeting, pwede namin ma-raise up din yan para magkaroon ng resolution regarding sa problema ng mga talagang maputik at saka basa talaga. As in, siguro na-observe din siguro ninyo yung area, napakahirap talaga. Napakahirap. Kahit pa sabihin natin na that is part of the scouting, pero kawawa naman natin mga Boy Scouts, yun lang. Pero sana hindi na makatuloy-tuloy yung ulan para maging successful yung mga activities the following days, until the closing ceremony of the Jamboree. Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you. Ano po yung council name ninyo po?
Good morning. Ako pala si Nodel S. Salik from Cotabato, Cotabato SJA Council.
And ano po yung expectation ninyo ngayong activity na to po?
Actually, I have a lot of expectation. Since this is my first time na mag-join sa Western Mindanao Jamboree. So, first time ko talaga itong sumali dito. But naka-join na rin kami sa ibang Jamboree. So, the expectation first is yung laki ng space, yung area. So, usually kasi napupuntahan namin yung arena, dapat naka-circular type siya. But this time is mahaba siya. Then yung weather ngayon kasi is para masyadong palaging maulan pala dito. Hindi namin na-expect. Pero maganda rin naman yung area na paglalagyan ng yung tent ng mga bata kasi medyo napaka-challenging sa kanila para paano sila mag-survive sa weather na meron ngayon. So parang related dun sa training namin sa ABC. So yun yung mga expectation na meron na gina-expect ko pero parang success. Pero
food pass holder with CML.
Unsay may expectation sa kaning activities ma?
Well, ang among expectation sa the 12th Western Mindanao Regional Scout Jamboree is a fun field activity, engaging, and at least the Boy Scout can experience special skills that is meaningful to their life, and hopefully it would be successful.
What council ka, ma'am?
I am a representative from Lanao del Norte Council.
Unsay mong name, ma'am?
My name is Irish Isis Corial. I am a teacher and an adult teacher.
And unsa inyong expectation aning jamboree?
Okay, joining this jamboree, I expect too much from this. First is for the students, for the Boy Scouts, they can create new friends, they can have camaraderie with others, not just in their own council, but in other councils. Another is to attain the theme for this year, which is the engagement or sustaining relevance and strengthening resilience. So I expect that our scouters can really attain that theme.
Ako si John Pulan, Master SB Councilor of the Municipality of the Pastigol, representing the Office of the Municipal Mayor as the officer in charge, while the Mayor is out in Manila for the ALG call.
And mga lang mi ma'am, unsa inyo expectation as a host karon nga event nga jamboree, ma'am?
Kung expectations, ako nag-expect as OIC na satisfied ang tanang mga guests na namin, duaw, dito sa among 4th class municipality in celebration of the 12th BSP Council na Jamboree.
And unsa po di mong may istorya, ma'am, like for example, para end na lang sa end, ma'am, ba, na may message ni mo sa lahat na
I hope sa mga baguhan na naanay din o sa mga second timer lang na naanay din na satisfied mo o nasatisfied mo kung sa man ang among ma-afford offer sa inyo natin sa among local municipality as well as municipality of the municipality of the sa mga
Thank you. Unsay mo ang name, sir?
Jun Saavedra. Full name, Bonjo Pelisan Saavedra.
And for this, unsay mong overview sa event nga nahitabo karon sa Jamboree, sir?
With respect sa pagsugod sa Jamboree, akong masulti is there was that plan, program, o action. Hihimo sa mga members sa Jamboree Organizing Committee, after which a series of Jamboree Organizing Committee, they came up with a result and nakita nila ang kinahanglan na ma-expose sa mga bata ages 9 to 12 and that is mga category sa Boy Scouts and from Senior Scouts ages 13 to 16 and nakita nila mga activity that were being to be repeated and challenging para sa ilang age bracket. So along those lines, when kita na ko as the chairperson of Western Mindanao, I'm very hopeful that kita na this will be materialized because the very person so assigned by the host council, who himself is a practitioner, the person of Roy Carbonera. These were trained adult leaders, trained by him, and I was one of those trainers during the HPC trainings, CML trainings, and some of whom are about to become leader trainers like me. So, judging on the basis of their capacity and commitment as well as dedication, if not passion, for the purpose of transferring the same, relating the same to the new breed of the youth from the category or age bracket I did mention earlier. Nakita na ko that the 5-day activity would be a successful one. So other than that, the monitoring from the regional scouting committee, which I'm the chair, and the rest of my colleagues, commissioners, with the TPs, these are just but a few of the documentation process which would lead to the attainment and cross-checking of the things that we have been doing and undertaking for the scheduled 4 to 5-day event for this 12th regional jamboree held in Barangay Mawal, Leon Postigo, San Aurelio. Magandang salamat sa pagpaminaw. Magandang pagsuon. At the same time, batay sa scouting movement sa Western Mindanao, due sa ganda ng serbisyo sa pulong bunga.
The flow of the program. Sabi ko, together we can. Kasi ang daming struggles, ang daming challenges upon starting the 12 WMR Scout Jamboree. Lahat ba agree sa sinabi ko na there are some questions na why? Why? The big question is why. But I believe, and we believe in Leon Postigo, that everything happens for a reason. We have a reason for us to teach at this moment that without us helping each other, it will not be possible for this first day or the opening of the Jamboree be possible and push through. Tama ba? Okay. So, bago pa ako, makadami pa ng salita kasi parang pagod na, gutom na, and it has been a long day for everybody. And it is my pleasure to welcome you all to our 12th Western Mindanao Regional Jamboree in our humble municipality. And now, before we start our program, again, please help us. May we entertain you
ito isa ang kulay ng dugo. Iba ang para sa mundong ito isa ang kulay ng dugo.